Guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today I'm taking you on a journey of my backyard while I'm in Auckland. So, not even taking you on a journey, I'm just in the backyard. Today was just such a beautiful day. You can't see it, but right back there is a sky tower. I will pick up my camera and I will show you by the end of this video so you can kind of see the sky tower and how close I am to downtown Auckland. But today I just wanted to talk about the idea that people don't understand that I travel for a living, and then I also like to travel for I travel for work, but I also like to travel for fun. So one question I get a lot is like, what vacation would you go on if you could go on a vacation that you haven't been on before? And honestly speaking, when I think about that now, one of the things I've always wanted to do is actually go to Antarctica. So honestly, it is a little bit of a like bucket list thing. I have been to every single continent except for Antarctica, so it'll be my last continent. But also, it's just really cool to not only say I've done that, but it's really cool to visit that part of the world where only like a small percentage of people have been to. So it's always been on my bucket list. Now, to do that, you usually have to take a trip on a ship. So it's really funny that I've been working on ships for all these years and I haven't actually done it. So I kind of wanted to wait until maybe I worked and I did it, but I've been thinking lately like maybe I should take the leap and do the vacation and just go myself. So that way I'm not working, I'm not worried about anything, and I might just do it. So maybe coming up, that is definitely on my list. So yeah, that is my ultimate trip that I have not been on that I kind of want to be on. And if I do it on as a trip, I think I'm gonna do like South America and just like go to parts of South America I've never been to, do Antarctica, and make a whole trip out of it. Because otherwise, like when's the next time I'm gonna be there? You never know, because like I haven't been there yet. And that's something I always tell people. I always feel like when you think about trips and where you want to go, like take advantage of the places that you go to because you never know when's the next time you're going to be there. You never know like how long you're going to be able to do it. So I just feel like tomorrow's never promised. Like take those leaps of faith now and do what you want to do. Another one that I will just slip in there that I have not done yet, but I really, really want to do is actually like finish all of Europe. And I know that sounds crazy because I haven't even finished all of America, but Europe is actually smaller than America. So I feel like I can complete every country in Europe easier and faster than I can complete every state in America. I kind of want to do both by the next 2 years. So we'll see. I will keep you updated and see if that happens. I'm going to keep my promise. I'm coming over to the camera. This is going to get really weird very fast. But for everybody who hasn't seen the Sky Tower before, it is back there in the back, right behind me. I mean, the backyard that I'm in, it's pretty cool. And there it is in the back. So I'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.